Hey Gary, this is guys from A3 Customs. These girls in here, they trying to write this script that I can't read because I'm blind. But guess what, guys? Here's the deal. Here's the real deal, right? So there's a couple things I want to talk about. One, this is not a rant. This is not an aggravating kind of story. But what I do want to let everybody know is, one, we appreciate your business. We first and foremost appreciate your business, and we're not going anywhere. We're here to stay. So, the thing with this is we are growing and we're doing more stuff. And I know if you followed us, you're seeing our stuff like our upholstery and all that. But what I am wanting to say is when people come into the shop and ask for me, or they call and ask for me, I used to be able to do that because I was an employee. I was an owner. I owned the shop. I did the work here. I worked, I cut, painted cars. I did all that. But now it's gotten to a level to where I have to be able to deal with our vendors. I have to be able to deal with our sponsors. I have to be able to deal with just the public in general. We go to different events and stuff, and I have to be able to deal with that. That being said, that sometimes people get upset when they call and they say, "Can I speak to Gary?" and they can't. So again, that's not that you can't speak to Gary because Gary's just too good to talk to anybody right now. It's just the fact that I'm growing and I need to be able to be a business owner. So if anybody understands that, people that do have a business is going to get it. There's some people that's not going to get it. They're going to be like, he don't have time for us. That's not the case. I have people put in place to run the shop. I have 2 front office personnel. You'll come in, speak to the receptionist and talk to them, and they will sit you on a schedule. If you have to talk to me and you want to meet with me, or if you got a new car, let's say you want to get something done, you will schedule an appointment like everywhere else, and you'll come in, we'll sit down, and when I do that, I can be able to give you the time you deserve at that allotted time. So like if we sit down an hour and we go over an hour and a half, oh well, because I allow enough time to have that overage so I can respect your time, and I can also go over what you need to do to your vehicle so we don't miss a step, okay? So all that being said, we want good communication between A3 Customs and our clientele. And that means like if you went to buy a car at a dealership, you can't walk in and talk to the owner of the dealership. It's not mean that the owner don't care, because obviously he cares, he wants to stay in business, but he has to run the business. He has to do different things. And that's kind of the level that I'm at now. And God has blessed us the entire way through this. And I'm just wanting to let everybody know that I still care about each and every person out there, and the future people that I'm going to get, the customers that are coming. I care 100%. Everybody has to understand where we're at. Really not trying to make this video super long, but I also need to explain the situation because it's kind of hard to call all my customers and tell them, if you come to the shop, please just don't walk in the shop. We have insurance, we have stuff we have to deal with. We don't want anybody hurt. There's tools going on. Think about it like this. What happens if you walk in the shop, or somebody walks in the shop and your car's here and they back up, they're looking at it, or they like your car, they back up and they knock something into your car. Or if they walk up and touch your car, scratch your car, or lean over the hood of your car. I can't control them until it happens, and then it's a problem. So I just want to give all the customers the same respect. So that's basically it. So just out of respect for the shop, just don't walk in the shop. I've got a lot of customers that come in. They've known me since when I started the business, and they're like, "Hey, I know Gary, I can come up or whatever," and that's fine. You can, but go through the front office. And if I'm here, I don't mind speaking to somebody. I'm not going to just not talk to nobody, but I am not in the front line of the business anymore because I am trying to grow the business and make the business better and make your cars better and try to get you a value price to get the car done, because everybody wants to save money and everybody wants a nice car. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to build our upholstery side up. I'm trying to build that. Our body shop is really doing good. We're trying to get that thing really pushed out there. But that being said, guys, I have to have people that's going to work with me. So if people get upset about what I'm saying, I apologize in advance. I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just trying to let everybody know kind of where I'm at. But I just want to tell you that really wasn't a rant. Maybe it was. I really don't know. I don't want anybody to take it wrong. We are a family-owned business, and we are faith-based. We serve Christ 100%, and He's the reason the lights are on, and He is the number one thing in this building that we're going to do. We're very respectful, and we try to respect people's cars and their time. Just wanted to let y'all know that, and of course everybody follows us kind of knows that, but and He's the reason we're here. He is the reason we're here, number one, and give Him all the honor, praise, and glory for everything He has gave us in this building. But guys, I just want to let you know that's kind of how it goes. And if you know me and you want to talk to me, hey, set a schedule, set it on schedule, and you come out and speak to me. If not, I'll try my best to call you when I can. But if I don't call you back, don't get mad at me. If you can speak to the front office help, speak to them. We'll get somebody back in touch with you as quick as possible. We'll try to hand that off. So again, we want to give you the best customer service we possibly can. But ultimately, I mean, I'm telling you, y'all might not believe this on some aspects, but the phone rings on a daily, back to back to back, and they want to talk to me. And I know that was my own problem. I did that. I talked to all the customers, and I didn't put anybody in front of that. But now I just can't do that and run the business and make sure the lights stay on. It's just overwhelming, and it's. I need to be with my family some. I need to spend time with them. There's a lot. So this is a real talk. Sorry it's long, but I hope everybody watched to the end. But again, guys, I appreciate it, and I really want you to just think about it, understand it, and just please be respectful of our wishes on that. But we will get with you. We'll talk to you. Still the same company. We're not going anywhere. We're good. So we love each and every one of you. Thank you for your business. Thank you for doing what you're doing for us. Without y'all, we couldn't be in business. And let's just build some hot rods. Let's have some fun. All right, guys. Garrett A3 Customs coming at you.